Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Forms to create an event registration form. Easy and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser, go to forms.microsoft.com, and log in with your Microsoft account. Step 2. Click on New Form to start. Give your form a title like Event Registration and add a short description if you want. Step 3. Click Add New to insert fields like name, email, phone number, and any other details you need. Use choice questions for things like session selection or meal preferences. Step 4. Click the three dots on the top right, go to Settings, and choose options like Accept Responses, Set Start and End Dates, Limit to one response if needed. Step 5. Click Share, then copy the link, generate a QR code, or email it directly to your invitees. You can even embed it into your website. Bonus tip: you can personalize the form's theme with event-related images or colors to make it look even more professional. And that's it! You've just created a complete event registration form using Microsoft Forms. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!